What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw the Eiffel Tower. Let's begin along the bottom half of our page and draw a straight line going across the bottom of the deck. We're going to start on the left side, draw a straight line going all the way across. And then from the ends, draw a straight line going up along the sides. And we're going to close off the top of a rectangle with another straight line. From the bottom, step up, draw another line going across. And then along this area, we're going to draw some vertical lines. Let's start right in the middle with one straight line coming down. Let's leave a gap, draw another line. Now we're just going to work our way out towards the end. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now from these 2 points, we're going to step in, draw a straight angled line, coming down and then out towards the bottom. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing, coming down toward the same height. Now let's flatten off the bottom with a straight line coming in. Draw that same length line over on the right. And I want to follow this angle going back up towards the top. From the top, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going all the way across the center towards the right. Now we want to connect these 2 points with a curve for the arch. We're going to go up, go across, and then down. Let's trace that curve along the top. From the bottom, we're going to step up, draw another line. Now along this area, we're going to add a grid pattern. Let's start from the top left, angle this down and across, leave a gap. Just going to add 2 more. Let's do the same thing on the right, going across with 3 lines. Now I want to go in the opposite direction. Start from the bottom left, going across. Now from this top left side, we're going to angle this down and cross about halfway along this line and then back down towards the bottom left. So we'll go up, and then connect the top left. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming across, and then down towards the bottom right. Let's go up to the top and go in the opposite direction. Going across, and then angle that down. Let's add in that second tier. We're going to follow this line going up to right about here. Just going to angle this up to right about there. Let's go to the right side, doing the same thing. And I want to draw a straight line going across the top. From the left side, we're going to step over, draw that same angle coming down. Let's add a line going across the top. Now I want to split this area in half. Let's add an X inside each of those sections. From the top left coming down, go across in the opposite direction. Let's do the same thing across the bottom. We're also going to add a trim along the inside. So step in, draw another line. Let's add the platform from the corners, angle this up and out. Flatten off the top, go up and then in, and then again drawing another straight line. Now from the center of the platform, we're going to go all the way up towards the top. To right about here, let's start with a point. Let's draw a short line going across that point. From the left side, I want to angle this down and then across towards the left, and then the right side. From the center, I'm just going to follow that same angled line coming down toward the left, and then the right. Let's split each of these sections in half, right in the middle. Go up, add another line, and do that again. Let's separate the bottom section. Now, just like we did down here, we're going to add an X inside each of those sections. Let's finish off with the top of the tower from the two corners. Angle this up and out. Flatten this off. Flatten off the ends. And close off the top. Let's add a small rectangle across the top. Now the tip of the tower, we're going to go up towards a point in the middle. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Eiffel Tower. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different things just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.